हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पार्ट 2 ऑफ क्विज ऑन लैंडमार्क जजमेंट्स। जी हाँ, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है फ्रॉम एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, स्पेशली लॉ एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. So all I will do is to dictate the question and then I will wait for a couple of seconds and then I will reveal the correct answer. Okay. So you have to think about the correct answer and then see if you have got the correct answer or not. So we'll discuss 10 questions and once we are done with 10 questions, I'll provide the explanation at the end of the 10 questions. So make sure you visit those explanation section as well because explanation पढ़ने से ही आपको चीज़ें याद अच्छे से रहेगी. Okay. So without wasting any time, let us go to the first question. So the first question says, in which landmark case the Supreme Court held that the second marriage of Hindu man is invalid even if he converts to Islam before marriage? ये टॉपिक बहुत ही करंट है. So think about the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Sarla Mudgal versus Union of India. So moving to the next question. Question 2 says, in which landmark legal case it was held that preamble is not a part of the Indian Constitution? So think about the correct answer. And the correct answer of this question is option A, Beriberi Union case. So moving to the third question. In which landmark legal case the Supreme Court held that Parliament has the right to amend the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution? So the correct answer of this question is option D, Sankari Prasad versus Union of India. So moving to the fourth question. In which landmark case fundamental rights were considered as inviolable part of the Indian Constitution? So the correct answer of this question is option A, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. So moving to the fifth question. In which landmark case the Supreme Court of India held that the power of judicial review vested in the High Court under Article 226 and right to move the Supreme Court under Article 32 is an integral and essential feature of the Constitution? देखिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. I hope you can see the four options. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. So moving to the next question. Which landmark constitutional case is known as the Mandal case? मंडल केस है ये. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Indra Soni versus Union of India. So moving to the seventh question. Which landmark case of the Supreme Court talked about speedy trial? So the correct answer of this question is option B, Husainara Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar. So moving to the eighth question. In which landmark case the Supreme Court held that Muslim women have the right to maintenance? So the correct answer of this question is option B, Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Sawano Begum. So moving to the ninth question. In which landmark legal case court explained the provision procedure established by law? So the correct answer of this question is option D, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. So moving to the final question. In which landmark legal case the Supreme Court held the right to legal aid is a fundamental right? So the correct answer of this question is option A, Sila versus Union of India. So we are done with 10 questions. I have provided the explanation in the next couple of slides. So make sure you see those explanation because when you see those explanation, things can be actually imprinted in your mind. You can remember those things quite properly. So I would suggest to see those explanation. So in case you have liked this quiz session, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.